Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video clip I will also show you how you can add the same song to several Instagram stories at once. Please, friends, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under this video, write comments, and let's get started. So friends, please open Instagram on your device. Next, let's move on to creating a story. To do this, swipe from the left side to the right side. Now select the photos. For that, you can click right here and select either multiple videos, multiple photos, or both videos and photos to add them to your story. In order to choose, you'll need to click here first and then click on any photos and videos that you like. After that, click on the next arrow. And now, to choose a song, at the top, click on the tune sign. After which you can choose any song from the provided Instagram apps. To listen to them, click right here. Or you can click in the search bar and type in, for example, the name of the song or artist you want to find. So, after you select any song, click on the title itself to add it. Next, you can, for example, select the soundtrack, that is, some specific section of the song. You can also choose the time, that is, the maximum number of seconds the song will play on one particular story. And then you can choose how the music will look like, for example, with a picture or without, just one piece of music. And then click Ready. This way, you will add music to the first photo or video. Next, to add the same song to the rest, click on the next photo or video. At the top, you will see that you already have the song marked. Click on it. Also confirm it. And click Done. And the same action, do with other photos or videos. So friends, look, you'll have a song on every photo. As you can see, I have the same song on each photo, and different parts, that is, they go in order. And then in order to post those stories, just click down on the arrow right here and then share. That way, you'll be posting multiple Instagram stories with the same song at once. Friends, I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes, write comments. Bye-bye.